Hello, my name is Maria. I'm a marketing specialist here at ThorApps, and today I'm going to show you how to start using ListSync by syncing a list to an SQL database. So this can be done after installing the app and configuring an environment in your SharePoint Online. If you need any assistance with that, please check our previous videos. And to proceed with this one, please make sure you have access to a ThorApps ListSync app installed through SharePoint Online site collection and also site collection administration permissions. So I'm going to split this guide in two steps. So the first one is to create an example SharePoint list. And the second one is to map this list to an SQL table by using a ListSync reporting schema. So this reporting schema, you are going to define what fields are to be synchronized and what data types to use. So to start creating an example list for reporting, I'm going to open my SharePoint Online site. I'm going to click on Site Contents. And then click Add an App. And then you're going to see the option to create a task list. So you can click on it. And I'm going to name this list as Example Task. And click Create. So this is going to create this task list. So you can click on it. And then I'm going to add some data here to show you how ListSync works. So I'm going to click New Task, name this Task 1, and add date for today, for example, and then assign this task to myself and click Save. So as you can see here, I've already created tasks for different people in my team. So what I'm going to do now is to sync this list using a reporting schema. So as I mentioned before, each list type needs a reporting schema that defines what fields are to be synchronized and what data types to use. So what I'm going to do now is to open up my ListSync. And then this is the ListSync homepage. So on your left, you can see the reporting schemas link. You can click on it. And then here you can add a new reporting schema. So here I'm going to point this to the website, which is the root of my site collection. In case you were using BI service, you can click on it as well. And here on list, I'm going to pick the list that I've created, which is called example list. So as you can see, this will be renamed automatically. So the name of this reporting schema has the same name as the list. And then I'm going to click Save. So this process has created a table called Example Task in an Azure SQL database, mapped the example tasks list to it, and process all items from the list into the table. So this list is now being synchronized into SQL in real time. And you can now try adding or updating these list items and check for changes in the database using Excel, for example. So in our next video, we are going to show you how to do that. And in case you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us at info@thorapps.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.